Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to work with Google Spreadsheets and the essential function that you should know on Google Spreadsheet. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Spreadsheet and just open your documents. And today I already prepared you the documents that I would like to use for the examples today. So the first essential things that I would like to show to you is the command function. So the command function will be displayed with these tools. So what is the use of this function or comments function is to create comments into these documents so that your coworker or your team can do the revisions or edit the information that containing on your documents. So for example, you want to add the comment here, so you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to go click comment, and now you can start to adding the comment. Okay, my bad, let's do again. You can start adding the comment. For example, and whenever you're done adding the comment, you just need to go click send, and then later on your coworkers will be gotten noticed that there is a comment inside of these documents by sign with this small triangles signs here. So there is the essential things that I would like to show to you today. So hopefully this tutorial is quite useful for you and get you so well. So don't forget to leave some comment on this video if you find out today's tutorial is really helpful for you.